Good morning, everyone. Today is the 11th of October 2016. It's Tuesday morning. Market's going to open here in about a minute. Yesterday was a holiday. I didn't trade yesterday, but what happened was yesterday's market open left a little gap in its wake. I'm considering that this morning as the market's opening, that there's a potential gap close, and keeping that in mind as the market opens. So this is a 12-point drop, so something worth considering. Keeping that in mind as the market opens. So let's see what happens here. And there's the bell. Market is open. Let's see what she's up to here. Got a signal to go long right here. Went long. See if we can get 3 nuggets to the upside, but I'm really interested in that run to the downside. Yeah, came down here, made a gift. I went short. There you go, pushing down nicely. Going to be looking for an add-on along the way. Added on right here. Still pushing down. Progressing nicely. Here's that pullback I was really envisioning in my mind when I mentioned I was going to add on when I was back in this vicinity. I didn't know it was going to be this pretty, but I do know that it's going to fill this gap here, so I want to take as much advantage of it as I possibly could. When you see a gap on Ninja Trader, that gap gets filled 100% of the time. The only drawback is don't know exactly when that's going to happen. It could happen today, could happen tomorrow, could happen the day after. But the gap does get filled 100% of the time unless there's corrupt data. So it's going down there. And the pressures are telling me they're extreme, and they tend to push down substantially today. Here we go, about almost halfway to targets. Here's another beautiful opportunity to add on, but since I'm in with doubles already, I'm just going to appreciate it, but it's just going up to grab a few more contracts before it goes down. Actually, this push up here gave us a new target of down here. So I'm going to cover half here, cover the other half down here. Still pushing down. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Drew this gap a little bit more accurately. This is actually the bottom. According to the 144, this is the top of the gap right here. So we're going to jump out in the middle of the gap. Not going to wait for it to hit the bottom here. A little bit more for first target. Almost there. First target filled. I moved target up just a wee little bit. Saw a little hesitation here. Just took half off the table. Second target still in effect. Okay, move my boundary. here. Not going to give anything back, anything substantial back, but I do believe it's going to close target before it pops back up. Or close the gap before it pops back up. Tighten up my stop even more. Okay, I covered everything here. My gut says, horse, quit screwing around. What are you going for, another extra point? So sometimes it just makes you feel better if you listen to your gut. So just had to. Just had to, for my own peace of mind. See you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.